In this example, what we're going to do is we're going to start by identifying the vertex and the line of symmetry. So I'm always going to start with the line of symmetry. X equals negative b over 2a. You can say whatever. Yep, go for it. So x equals negative b over 2a. My b value for this problem is 8. My a value is 2. So this reduces to negative 8 over 4, and when I fully reduce that, I get negative 2. Okay, that is the x-coordinate of the vertex. Now grab your calculator. That's where you go slow to make sure you don't make a mistake. And now when you plug this in, we have to go slow. Wherever we plug in a negative 2 for x, we have to put it in parentheses. And our output is negative 9. Raise your hand if you were able to get either one of those. Hands up high. Okay, great. So again, this is going to be a rough graph. I'm going to go over 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what I have right now. Now when I look at this, it's going to be on the board. Can I graph using 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9? The answer is no. Why is the answer no? I have to multiply every y by 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2, 4 times 2, 9 times 2. These provide me with directions to graph. This is always your vertex. I'm going to go 1 to the right and 2 up. 1 to the right and 2 up. I'm going to go 2 to the right and 8 up. 2 to the right and 8 up. I'm going to go 3 to the right and 18 up. So 3 to the right and 18 up. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Exact same thing on the other side. Okay, let's go ahead and let's identify the x and the y-intercepts. This number is always your y-intercept. So 0, negative 1, we can also see it right here. Your x-intercepts, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2 times a. So negative 8's out front. 4 is on the bottom, and I'm going to grab my calculator to figure out that discriminant. What is underneath the radical? I have 8 squared minus 4 times, hold on here, 4 times 2 times negative 1. And I came up with an answer of 72. Look up there, please, the 72 on the list. So I go through it. I can do it in my head, obviously, right? I've done this plenty of times before. But just to save time right now, I know that breaks into 9 times 8. The square root of 9 is what? It is 3. Now remember that this, oh, you know what? I already see a mistake. I'm trying to rush through this to save you guys time, and I already see what my mistake is. By me rushing, I did not choose the largest perfect square. I got to reverse this. Here we go. 72, look up on the list. What's the next smallest one? Thank you for those recognizing. 64 doesn't work. What's next? 49 doesn't work. What's next? Oh, there it is. Does everybody see that? You have to choose the largest one. So I'm going to be lazy here. I'm going to go back and say this is 36, and this is 2. The square root of 36 is 6. And now this bottom number is like your best friend. It has to be shared with both. So negative 8 over 4. Don't even look at Manny and smile. It's like your best friend. That's just too much. Okay, negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. And this reduces to 3 over 2, and our problem is done.